Flooding in El Salvador due to Tropical Storm Amanda. El Salvador. At least 11 people in El Salvador in flooding after Tropical Storm Amanda drenched parts of Central America Sunday. It was the first tropical storm of the Eastern Pacific season. President Nayib Bukele decreed a 15-day state of emergency to deal with the rains that began pounding the country on Friday ahead of Tropical Storm Amanda's landfall on Sunday. "We are facing a critical situation," said Interior Minister Mario Duran. "The situation in all of the country and especially in the metropolitan area of San Salvador is grave." Amanda had maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour when it hit Sunday morning, but soon dissipated as it moved overland. By Friday evening it was about 100 miles northeast of Guatemala City, according to the U.S. National Hurricane Center. Forecasters said that even though it had dissipated, heavy rains could continue to fall over parts of El Salvador, Guatemala, western Honduras and southeastern Mexico over the next few days.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.